you're having a great day. Today, I came up with an interesting and nature-themed craft. It is a fun and interesting craft. It is nothing but a colorful beaded butterfly. Let's get started. It is so simple and easy to make. Materials needed. We need colorful beads. We need 20 to 30 beads of colors of your choice. We also need 3 pipe cleaners as your color. I have chosen 3 pipe cleaners in the same color. You can choose any color of your favorite choice, but it has to be 3 pipe cleaners. I have picked my favorite colors of beads of my choice. Let's start. Let's take 1 pipe cleaner and fold it in half, like this. After we have done that, let's pinch the end to make sure that the beads don't escape. Our knot is like this. Now let's insert the beads. We need 4 beads for our body of our butterfly. Let's pick out our beads. Let's take our bead and insert it in both of these pipe cleaner sticks. Now repeat that 3 more times. I have inserted 4 beads for the body of our butterfly. Now let's take 1 last bead and put it on top. After we have done that, let's take our big bead for our head and place it on the top for the finishing touch. Don't make it touch like this in the body of the butterfly. Just leave an inch away from the body's bead, like this. Now, let's make the antennas. Let's twist these excess parts of the pipe cleaners. Let's bend the antenna with the excess pipe cleaners. Now our body of our butterfly is ready. Now let's keep it aside and work on our wings. Let's take 1 pipe cleaner and then take some beads of your color choice and put 5 beads on each side. Make sure they're not connecting. Don't have to be the same color. I have done the same with the other pipe cleaner as well. Now let's fold it in half, like this. After you have done that, now let's take the 2 ends and cross them, like this. Now take your 2 fingers and twist them 3 or 4 times. After you have done that, let's flip it over and push the beads down to the bottom, like the center. Then take the corner where you have bended it and push it all the way to the bottom. Kind of looks like a heart. Then twist the 2 ends. Do the same with the other side. Now you have beautiful wings like this. Let's do the same wings with the other pipe cleaner. Now our wings are ready. Now let's spread the wings out like this. Just a little bit. Do the same with the other pipe cleaner. After you have done that, let's attach the wings to our butterfly's body. Remember that small hole we left between the head and the beads? Let's attach this small part of the pipe cleaner and roll it around the neck of our butterfly, like this. Now I have twisted both of the butterfly's wings onto our butterfly. Let's just push those two wings backwards, like this. Now let's spread the antenna unclose to each other. Now our butterfly is ready to fly. Whoosh!